So as tough as this is for the athletes who would have been training for the World Indoor Athletics Championship, it really does not surprise me that the IAAF, they have postponed the World Indoor Athletics Championships until 2021 because of the coronavirus. I quote, "It is a regret that we have agreed with the organizers of the World Athletics Indoor Championships in Nanjing to postpone the event to March 2021. So the championships are the latest sports event to be hit by the virus, which, as of yesterday, had seen 6,000 cases confirmed in China and 132 fatalities. So it's not a joke thing, folks. Not a joke thing. So it's sad for the athletes because they would have not only wanted to do this, but it's preparation for them for the Olympic Games coming up in Tokyo later on. So this is a big blow. So maybe some regional meets or something like that. But wow, this virus thing is not a joke thing.
It's a tough
It's not
one,
a joke thing.
And as you said, the athletes would use it
as preparation
and give them that momentum into the Olympic Games.
Yeah.